you today. I can't wait to learn with you. Come on, it's jive time. Let's learn to say yes and to say no. Yeah, let's practice. Can you move your head up and down? And you nod your head yes. Yeah, good. Now let's shake our head no. Can you shake your head side to side like this? No. Yeah, good job shaking your head no. Cool. All right, now let's practice, and then we'll read a story about yes and no. It'll be so fun. Aw, is this a bear? No. Is it a rabbit? Yes, it's a rabbit. Yes. Aw, it's so cute. I love its floppy ears. Aw, it has 1, 2 floppy ears. Aw, so cute. Whoa, is this a giraffe? No, that's not a giraffe. Is it a bear? Yes, it's a bear. Yes. Cool. Is this a bike? No. Is it a bus? Yes, it's a bus. Yeah, cool. Whoa. Start your engines. Zoom, zoom. The door can open and close. Wow, it's a bus. That's so cool. Is this a car? No. Is it a cookie? No. Is it a bear? No. Is it ice cream? Yes, it's ice cream. Yes. Whoa, is this pizza? No, that's not pizza. Is it a cookie? Yes, it's a cookie. What do you do with a cookie? Do you put it on your head? No. Do you put it on your nose? No. Do you drive it like a car? No. Do you sleep on it like a pillow? No. Do you eat a cookie? Yes. Yeah, you eat cookies. Yes. Whoa, now that we've practiced saying yes and saying no, let's read a story about yes and no. I have a friend here that is in the story. His name is Mr. Puffin. Can you wave hi to Mr. Puffin? Hi, Mr. Puffin, I am so glad you're here. Let's read the story about Mr. Puffin and his muffin. Yay! Let's do it. Mr. Puffin has a muffin. Written by Maycee. What should Mr. Puffin do with his muffin? Should he put it on his head? No. Should he tuck it into bed? No. Should he take it to the sea and sit under a palm tree? No. Should he put it in a pail? No. Should he give it to a whale? No. Should he hold it with his feet? No. Should he put it in his beak to eat? Yes! Yay! Mr. Puffin ate his muffin. That was so fun. Wow! I think we should find Mr. Puffin inside these pictures. Let's practice pointing at Mr. Puffin so we can find him. Can you get out your pointer finger? Yeah. And you do this. That's your pointer finger. Yeah, that's the one you point with. All right, we're going to find Mr. Puffin in these pictures. When you see him, point with your pointer finger and say, there he is. Yeah, can you do that? Say, there's Mr. Puffin with your pointer finger. Ready? Let's find him. Do you see Mr. Puffin? I see him. He's right there. Yay, we found Mr. Puffin. Wow, I had so much fun learning with you today. Thank you for watching Jive Time. Bye.